Imagine a world where about a billion people live in makeshift homes lacking basic necessities like clean water and proper sanitation. It isn't fiction, it's the reality of informal settlements or slums that house nearly one third of the urban population in developing countries. By 2030, this number is projected to increase significantly, with 85% of the residents concentrated in several Asian regions and sub Saharan Africa.
The rapid influx of people to cities is outspacing the ability of urban areas to provide affordable and accessible housing and essential services.
These informal settlements face numerous challenges that significantly impact their overall quality of life. Like many residents lack access to clean water, proper sanitation, and reliable electricity, making their daily life difficult and unsafe. Moreover, homes in these communities are often weak and easily destroyed, leaving residents at high risk during extreme weather events and exacerbating their vulnerability to climate change.
Overcrowding and insufficient sanitation facilities contribute to frequent disease outbreaks, threatening the health and well-being of residents. Limited access to formal employment opportunities increases poverty, restricting economic growth and development within these communities.
But what if we could empower these communities to build safer, more resilient homes? What if we could put the power of sustainable construction directly into their hands? This is where the AR Home Builder app comes in.
By leveraging augmented reality technologies, we are providing step-by-step guidance for constructing strong, affordable, long-term and sustainable housing solutions using locally sourced materials. Our app includes modules for water management, sanitation solutions and waste management. These features help residents implement systems for clean water access and proper sanitation, reducing health risks associated with poor infrastructure and increases resilience against environmental threats.
Our app is designed to be user-friendly and accessible to individuals with little or no prior build experience. It empowers users through clear instruction and visual aids, enabling them to take charge of their housing needs without relying solely on external vendors and architects.
This approach not only provides cost-effective housing solutions, but also creates employment opportunities, particularly for youth within these communities.
Our solution aligns with several UN SDGs by promoting sustainable cities and communities, aiming to end poverty in all its forms, ensuring access to clean water, and building resilient infrastructure.
Our app offers a multilingual interface with voice instructions. You can select your location to access local climate data, land information, and supplier contacts. We consider the number of occupants to determine the ideal house size, preventing overcrowding. You can add team members to assign trackable tasks to each person.
Enter material details manually or find local supplies using Google's API integration. Measure materials by entering dimensions or use our image-based auto measurement feature, which using existing measuring APIs. Based on your inputs, we will generate a customized blueprint for you, which can be available offline or you can upload custom blueprints. The projects also come included with the sustainable integrations like wastewater and sewage management. Our system uses a GAN architecture with similar approach of this paper, and it is trained on over 80,000 real-world floor plans from our planned dataset. The models would use a graph-constrained approach where rooms are represented as nodes in a graph with edges representing adjacency relationships. The model also adapts to local building codes and climate considerations. We transform your blueprint into a 3D AR model which visualizes both the interior and exterior of the house at each construction stage and can be scaled and rotated for a better perspective. We're using a deep learning approach similar to this paper. This method uses a combination of 2D to 3D reconstruction techniques and semantic segmentation. The system is trained on vast datasets like Semantic 3D for outdoor model development. This dataset is a large-scale collection of outdoor scenes. We also use datasets like Scanet, which contains 3D scans of indoor environments to create detailed and realistic indoor models. To ensure the AR models are optimized for mobile devices, techniques from this paper could be incorporated, allowing for real-time rendering of complex city scenes on smartphones. Our project management feature allows its generative AI to automatically assign tasks and provide safety tips to prevent accidents. Get support from professionals who can help you refine your blueprints and your models.
Users can learn how to use our app easily without construction knowledge and also learn various building techniques for their project and sustainability practices.
Our operational costs, including server hosting and maintenance, come in at $6,000. We have allocated $4,000 for marketing and $2,000 goes into creating high-quality instructional videos and virtual assets for homes and sustainable integrations.
For technical challenges like AR limitations in space, we are implementing refined algorithms with fallback options. To tackle environmental risks, we are incorporating climate adaptive designs for diverse regions. And for regulatory hurdles, we are collaborating with local communities and organizations to ensure compliance.
We're starting by refining our AI algorithm to enhance accuracy. Then we complete our coding. Next, we'll conduct rigorous testing to ensure reliability and performance. Once testing is complete, we'll submit the app to store to deployment, initializing our launch with India.
We'll provide ongoing support, monitoring performance, and rolling out updates as needed. As we grow, our goal is to scale features that create entire community centers and schools and expand to other regions.
By making construction knowledge accessible and providing tools for community-led development, we are not just building houses, we're building hope, resilience, and a path out of poverty for millions. Thank you.